Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to find your comment history or your YouTube comment history, of course. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and open up the YouTube app, and as you can see, you will see the interface of the app. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead right here and click on your profile at the below right corner, and what you're going to do here, you're going to just wait it out for a few moments right here, and you're going to see your YouTube channel. Click the settings here at the top right, and what you're going to do here, you're going to see all of your settings right here appearing in front of you. Go ahead into managing all history, and it's going to open up a new window for you, the Google window, to see all of your history on your YouTube, right? So as you can see right here, we're going to just wait it out for a few moments until the Google the Google history opens up to me. And as you can see right here, you will see the history of my interactions, right? You're gonna see right here the videos that I watched and everything, and you're gonna be able to see the interactions on your right, okay? And you're gonna see in the interactions, you're gonna see video reactions, video likes and dislikes, comment likes and dislikes. And just go ahead right here and click on your comment likes and dislikes, and basically you're gonna see all of the comments right here, okay? And basically you're gonna see all of the comments that you saved on your YouTube. So basically you're gonna see your comment history right here. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.